In this example, we will learn matrix multiplication and also the rand function. There are two matrices. This is one matrix, which is a 5 by 2 matrix, and this is the other matrix, which is a 2 by 3 matrix. So the multiplication of these two matrices will be a 5 by 3 matrix. To use the nmul function, you will first select your matrix result, which is a 5 by 3 matrix. So you will select it, and then you will write is equal to nmult. You will select the two matrix. You will select the first matrix, comma the second matrix, close the brackets, and you have to press Shift Control Enter to get the values, and not just enter. This is a product of the two matrices. Now to use the nmult with range name, so we've given the matrix a name, matrix A, and this matrix is called matrix B. So we can do the same again. We can select a 5 by 3 matrix, right, is equal to nmult. You can write matrix A, you can select this name, comma matrix B, close the brackets, press Shift Control Enter, and you have the multiplication of the two matrices. Now to find the range multiplication, we have named this matrix numbers, and this matrix is called 2. So we can just write is equal to numbers into 2, and you click enter. But if you just click enter, you see that only one cell gives the result. The entire cell needs to be clicked to get the result of the two matrix multiplication. Similarly, you can do it for these two ranges. You can write, you find that this range is called 3 and this range has no name. We can use the function nmult. We need to first select this. This is 2 by 1 and this is 1 by 5. So you use a 2 by 5, and you can write nmult. You can write 3, comma, you can select these, close brackets, click Shift Control Enter, and you have the values. Now in the rand function, we want to generate data randomly. So to use the rand function, all you have to do is write is equal to rand, open and close brackets, and click enter. So this number is generated randomly. You can copy this down. So now suppose you want the heights to be in a particular range, like say you want it to be from 1 to 10. So what you can do is you can use a formula rand, which is into the upper bound minus the lower bound plus the lower bound. So you can write, suppose you want it from 1 to 10, you can write is equal to rand, open and close brackets, you multiply it by the upper bound, which is 10, minus the lower bound, which is 1, and you add this to the lower bound, which is 1, and you click enter. So you see this range is in between 1 and 10. You can pull this down. If you don't want to use this formula, there is also another function which you can use, which is equal to rand between. You can use this where you can mention your lower bound and your upper bound. So the lower is 1 and the upper is 10. Just write those 1, 10, close the brackets and click enter. There you go, you have the random number generated between 1 and 10.